G'day everyone, today we're going to be doing a review on the Australian Moto Gear and Clothing 20 watt LED spotlights. So, got these delivered from Australian Moto Gear and Clothing. They come in individually packaged, so each light has its own packaging and runs just under $100, Australian that is. Comes in a nice parcel post bag. Quick delivery, and yeah, quality product. So, has a bit of weight to it, not too much. Well, it's not a heavy light, but it's not one of those light El Cheapo pieces of rubbish. It's got a big heatsink on the back, so it can disperse all the air, all the hot air, quite easily. It's got a bolt in the middle, so it makes it a lot easier to mount. And it means that there isn't one lights for one side, one lights for the other. And the cord comes out the center as well. Makes it easier to run your cabling. On these lights, they come with this nice blue cover over the screen, protect that. So you can just peel that off, like so. Just throw that away for a minute. So, that's got a nice clear, unscratched lens. Quality looking bit of gear. So, as you may know, I ride a Honda ST 1300. On these bikes, you can buy over mirror brackets. Now these brackets are used by the police and a lot of other guys. You can buy them, mount your spotlights or whatever you want. That's what I'm using them for. So, you just knock the mirror cover off on here, and that exposes where I've run the wires to. So I've got positive and negative there. Now when you're installing spotlights, you need to run your power from your battery up through a switch into a relay, and then from your high beam into the relay, so that your spotlights will only turn on when you actually have high beam on. That's a legal requirement in Australia. So, you just unscrew the nut off the bottom, whack it on there. I'll just tighten this up just a little bit, just for the demonstration. Put that on there. There we go. And then you just run your wires over, put your little connectors on the end, and plug them in. It is that easy. So easy. And there we go. That's the other spotlight I already put on the other side. They look pretty damn good. So, now we're just going to turn the bike on. Well, turn the ignition on. There we go. Put the high beam on. And switch the spotlights on. There we are. Nice, bright, white light from these. They are quite impressive. So later on tonight when it gets dark, we'll take it out on the road, give you another review, and show exactly what you're going to be getting with these spotlights. Now, if anyone's interested in these, they're from Australian Moto Gear and Clothing. So I'll put their link in the description down the bottom. Their website is austmotogear.com.au. austmotogear.com.au. Anyway, we'll be back with a ride review in a little bit. Bye.